Wait, did he figure it out? Up and first! I don't know whether to feel hurt or proud.
We're having a sale.
You look so sad.
Half off. Now. This is a Rowdy's video. I'm taking over the channel.
Don't ever listen to that. All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the shop. We are at Rowdy's Garage / FLIPZCO headquarters. And yeah, we got some friends that are coming over, hanging out with us. All right, guys, so when I said we have friends, we got friends. And we got friends with cool cars. So that even makes it even 10 times better. Yo, what's good, man? If you guys don't know Bob, you definitely know him.
I drive the purple BRZ that looks like it might possibly be fast, but it's definitely not. It's bone stock.
And I'm gonna get him to do some
hood rat shit today.
Some hood. You're gonna do hood rat stuff?
I'll do hood rat shit.
I like to have fun.
Say hi.
Hi.
I didn't want to leave her out. Do you want to do a burnout today?
I guess.
A few moments later.
All right, so PZ, this car is a lot better than yours. Yes, he doesn't drift, but I will get him to drift soon.
I'm gonna get a drift car soon. I want a drift car so bad. I want a fast car too.
You just drift this thing.
Huh?
Why don't you just drift this? You don't want to drift this?
That's a good question.
You could be the only stance bagged show car that's drifting.
Fuck it, let's start drifting, man.
Yeah?
No, I'm just kidding, dude. Not this car, man. I'll get an E36 and drift one day.
Let me know in the comments below if you really think
if you guys
he should actually drift it.
If they want to see me drift this, I'll take it to a drift event. I mean, I won't make it a permanent drift car, but like if somebody wants to see this at a drift event, like if a bunch of people want to see it, I'll do it.
All right, so how about this? 250 likes
Yeah.
on this video.
And then I'll take it to a drift event.
He'll go out to Club Loose and drift on the track with these VSXs.
And I'll embarrass myself. Because I don't know how to drift.
No, you'll be perfectly fine, man. I honestly think this car...
I mean, she kicks. She kicks out. No, it doesn't grip.
We'll have a video. It'll be like, can she drift? Can she drift?
It's all right. It's a budget build. So whatever you see, this whole car was built on a budget, like a super budget. It is a 2017 Subaru BRZ. It has the Airlift 3-piece system with Work Vsxx wheels, 18 by 10.5 in the front, 18 by 12.5 in the back. I wish I could say it was turbocharged. I mean, let's just say it and I won't open up my hood so I don't get reamed on, but no, it's NA. It's a top mounted, that's why I have the GTR hood vents. That triggers a lot of people, dude. Yeah. The GTR hood vents on a BRZ, not a lot of people do that, but a cop asked me what car this was. And like, at that point, I was just like, is it not obvious? It's a Subaru BRZ. But then I thought, I don't have any badges. This car literally, like, it doesn't even look like a BRZ anymore sometimes. That was probably the craziest thing when he's like, what is this car? And I'm just like, what? Only molded Rallybacker I've ever seen. If you guys have seen it, let me know. But this is the only molded Rallybacker kit I've ever seen. Nobody's ever molded one that I've saw on eBay.
You gonna spin him? He'll show you how to do
shot.
He has no power steering either. Show him your hands. What does that mean? Money flies?
Yeah.
Sidetrack.
Oh, you're good, you're good. Yeah, so I mean, wide bodied, and it has a genuine wide body in the back. The front are just, they're not meant for a wide body. Like, they're supposed to widen up your front on a stock body, but I use them as a wide body, so fuck it. Is Brom seats, they're super comfy. They're super comfy, but that's really it, just seats. And
it smells so good in here too. If you guys, honestly, if you guys could smell, it actually smells really, really good.
Yeah, I smell good.
Street faction wing, chassis mount. I don't have the end plates on right now because they keep falling off. I need something to hold them in. Carbon trunk, carbon wing. It's really, I mean, your average BRZ, your average wide body BRZ that's not boosted. Okay. Hood rat shit.
And he didn't even start drifting yet. Wait till he drifts. Pop the hood. No, I'm just kidding.
But dude, if you can do donuts in it.
If I could do donuts in it?
Can you do donuts in it? You want to try?
I don't want to break anything.
Don't go full set, go half set. Is there such thing?
I don't know. I would. But you're bagged. Mom, I'm not reliable. I'm not liable for anything that's about to happen. Right?
No, actually, wait. If this gets fucked up, then I get to get the vet.
I've never driven a bagged car, and I've never done a donut in a bagged car.
It should be fine.
Oh boy.
Full send, baby.
No?
Kidding.
You sure about this?
Huh?
Are you sure about this?
What do you think? Do you think you're gonna crash it?
No.
I'm going based off your vibes, dude.
No, I'm not.
If you think you can do it, then fuck it. Full send.
No, I know I could do it.
Oh yeah.
I've done it in one of these cars before. I just.
Oh, right here.
Push the start. Oh, Jesus Christ. Did you record that?
Huh?
I did not know this.
Oh
was
shit.
start.
Oh, I did.
You did?
Yeah, but I don't think I was pointing it at you.
I've never driven stick before.
I'll feel for the tires because I don't know like how much grip you're used to.
There's no feel. It's either send it or don't send it.
I like that. Up and first. I don't know whether to feel hurt or proud. The stock BRZ feel.
It's not a vet.
It's not fast at all.
No, it's fine. I mean, I was just telling Cody, I was like, when I first pulled the e-brake to go clutch kick it out, I was like, wait a second, something's definitely not right. And then I realized, oh, I was in third gear. So, yeah, it's just one of those things. I mean, we do it for YouTube and we do it for the content. So, you know, like.
Full send, baby.
Yeah, no, dude, I appreciate it. I love the car. Man. I hope I didn't break anything, but I don't think I did.
Probably not. It's pretty much stock.
I'm not used to the bags, like, so while coming off of, you know,
oh yeah, it was like,
it's like, and I'm like, used to bucket seats too. I did get dizzy in your car. That's the first time I've ever been dizzy in a donut, but I was also like really worried about like not hitting shit.
Yeah. That's the first time I've seen my car getting slid because I'm always the one sliding it. I think you're the first person to, actually no, you're not. Actually, you're not.
I feel honored.
But you're the first person to do an actual donut.
Dude, it went out pretty good. I actually feel like I need a BRZ.
You need a BRZ.
What do you guys think? Get a BRZ? Oh, that was so fun.
Or how about just trade mine for the Supra? I'll take the Supra.
I'll trade you the FD right now. This one?
Yeah, so what you're gonna do is push it once, quick, or not quick, but just push it once and then hold it down the second time.
Dude! Dude, that is so cool. That is like cooler than like a burnout. Yeah, I've never been in a bad car before. I've never hit the button and it, you know, like leveling up. Are we gonna start seeing you more in the vlogs or what?
Why didn't you do a donut? I don't know. You want me to do one? Yeah. Fucking goes and does a donut. I love it.
When did you, what, you started hanging out with Faction all of a sudden, figure eights? Danny's taking some quick snips, quick pics, and then you'll see it on Pornhub later.
Oh, get take that stupid sticker off.
But Robert was also hanging out with you, bro.
Thanks for having me, man.
Definitely follow my homie.
I'm gonna come back, and when I come back, I'll know how to do actual donuts, and it'll be me doing it next time.
We'll help you out.
Right.
We'll get you there. But support the East. I guarantee you. With I'm gonna work with Bobber. I'm gonna work with Phil. I'm gonna do a lot more, and definitely follow their channels. I'll plug them in below, and yeah, East Coast is where it's at.
Hell yeah, bro.
For sure. All right, man.
All right, man. See you guys later.
What? How do you usually sign out?
Huh?
How do you usually sign out? You usually see Roberto in the comment section, but he's a legit homie.
Yeah.
What's going on, bud?
Nothing, chilling.
What's your tag?
XTICO, XTICO.
XTICO out here with the fresh kicks.